cause some real trouble for some of the big holiday displays. Tonight, efforts are underway to protect hundreds of thousands of lights that are up. WBZ's Tammy Mutasa is at the La Salette Shrine in Attleboro.
Tonight, the preps are already underway. You see the beautiful lights behind me, the trees, all the gorgeous displays. Well, they could be in trouble tomorrow with the big storm heading our way. That's why a lot of people decided to come here tonight, because who knows what tomorrow will bring. It's that time of the year when the twinkling lights glow in the dark of the dazzling display. Over 1 million lights and hundreds of standing trees, angels and stars illuminate La Salette Shrine for the holidays.
It's magical. We always try to get a nice night, grab a hot chocolate. It's just part of our tradition for Christmas.
But when Mother Nature is threatening to blow away the holiday cheer with strong winds and heavy rain, it'll be a game time decision on what to do.
I just don't have that magic ball, but we'll just wait and see what the Lord sends us, and hopefully it's not too bad.
But the plan is to close if it's pouring rain, and hopefully the wind gusts won't topple the well-anchored exhibits Brother Ron and his team have put in place.
Stay home, folks. We'll open up the next day, So that's, we don't want anybody risking their lives to come here, you know what I mean?
Even though it's still a little foggy for families like the Emersons, tonight it's a lucky time to celebrate their Christmas tradition.
We try and plan a day that, all the kids can come, the cousins, and we picked tonight a couple weeks ago, and thankfully it's a good night without any rain.
In Waltham, with the storm on the way,
stakes there, stakes all over the place.
The Van Curian family's famous giant balloon display has to be deflated after learning the hard way that even ropes might not match up to Mother Nature.
My husband would like to keep them up full time. I like to make sure they survive.
Back in Attleboro, whatever happens, they hope to keep sharing the light like they've been doing since 1953.
We're trying to hope that people will be able to have a little bit of Christ in their life, as they go on.
Now, National Grid will have extra crews around the region ready to respond to downed trees and down power lines, and we are learning some displays are already closed ahead of the storm. In Attleboro, Tammy Mutasa, WBZ News.
Stay with WBZ.